Hello and welcome to the tutorial 3 where we'll be adding remote agents through a message broker. Now previous video of tutorial we added local agents that had access to the controller, it's probably in the same environment, and they just directly went to the controller and got them added.
However, there might be a case where you have different agents deployed in different remote locations. Now, one way for all these remote agents to communicate with the controller would be for them to have internet access and go through some sort of public IP to reach out to the controller, but sometimes it can be expensive and also inconvenient. So easier way out would be to deploy a centralized message broker in those each of those remote locations. The agents can communicate to this message broker through 30422 and get registered into the message broker, and the controller communicates with this single agent, a single message broker, to collect all the agents that are registered to it, and then in the controller you can use those agents to run tests. So this would simplify this complicated system of distributed agents, but you also need to ensure that the ports 30422 is open in the security group so that the agents can talk to the message broker. Similarly, port 443 is open for the message broker so that the controller can communicate to the message broker. Let's review this configuration.
Leveraging the CloudFormation template from OpenXia, I have deployed a message broker AMI and I have deployed client agent and server agents here, and all of them are communicating to the message broker through the private IP address that this message broker has. Now let me go to the controller that I deployed in tutorial 1. So this is the controller. Let's go to settings on the top right and we go to administration. Here you would see license manager, software updates and message broker. And here you have to provide the message broker IP, public IP that we got. So let's quickly see that IP. I had copied that IP. So I'll just paste it here, put the plus button, and I have a message broker added. And we generally give a few minutes to for those agent communication to happen, and we would start seeing those agents coming up. So let's go to that test that we created. So it took around 2 minutes, but we could see that the new agents have come up. I can see their management IP, the internal IP, and now we can, just like the physical agents, I can use them to run traffic. Thanks a lot for listening.